For daily use. Apply conditioner to wet hair after shampooing, massage onto scalp then rinse. For best results, use after HydroBlast Moisturizing Shampoo. Caution. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. HydroBlast Moisturizing Conditioner. Prevents dryness and split ends. Gentle yet intensive repair for hair that endures frequent styling and hairdryer use. Don't play games with dryness. Blast it to smithereens, whatever those are, with this concentrated conditioner for dry, coarse or damaged hair. HydroBlast Moisturizing Conditioner has a Botanical Boost from Aloe Vera, pro-vitamin B5 Hyaluronic Acid to lock in moisture, make hair softer, smoother, easier to style. Includes peach leaf to heal, protect plus arginine to promote growth. Helps thicken thinning hair, reduce breakage, define curls. Top reviews from the United States. Good stuff. Was very skeptical at first. I had a problem with dry scalp, flaking, especially in the heat. I was using a medicated dandruff shampoo that was making it worse. My wife ordered this and I thought it was not what I needed, too damn expensive, and was ready to return it. She said try it, you'll like it, and I did. Doesn't take much, so that is great. Works immediately. No problem with dry scalp anymore, and that is saying something. I am looking at buying a larger size now.